Hi my dears, today we are going to discuss another important topic which is body fluids and circulation, which is from the foundation level to up to the NEET, okay, which is important in every stage in the foundation and as well NEET. There is must questions in the NEET. The people are who aspire about the NEET like doctors to become doctors, just it is important for you guys, okay. So, like body fluids and circulation. Yeah, do you know body fluids? Yeah, there are certain blood and lymph, and there are other fluids also there, such cerebral fluid like the nervous system which is to connected with the fluid which is cerebral fluid, cerebrospinal fluid, and there is another fluid, there is saliva, and there are glands, certain glands they can secrete the fluids, and these are all fluids, different kind of fluids in human body. And if come to this, there are main fluid is blood, because of blood can carry the nutrients, blood can carry the oxygen, carbon dioxide like gases, and blood can carry the hormones, and blood can carry the like nutrients like micronutrients or minerals they can carry. Blood can regulate the body temperature, blood can have certain pH, and it can use for the osmoregulation of the body, and blood can carry the urea, excretory products. This is the blood which is important in the circulatory system, and there is a mechanical part which is heart. This is a muscular heart, okay. This is the muscular like organ which is can stimulate its own signals and they can pump the blood. And there is another part in this, there is a blood vessels, they can carry the blood in the human circulatory system only, closed circulation system which is blood vessel, arteries and veins, they can carry the blood throughout the body parts and they can distribute the things which is blood carries, okay. This is all about the circulation system, okay. We are going to discuss what is the important in this, okay. Yes. Body fluids and circulation. In this topic mainly we have to discuss about heart, blood vessels, and third one is blood. Heart is myogenic organ, it is the muscular chamber. If come to the blood vessels, these are arteries, veins and capillaries, okay, which comes under closed circulation system. Closed circulation system. What is closed circulation system? What is open circulation system? We will discuss. Closed, open. Closed circulation system, blood flow through the blood vessel. Blood vessels. Blood can flow through the blood vessels like, okay, I will tell you, I will explain it. This is the blood vessel. This is the blood vessel. They can carry, blood can carry, this is the blood cells. And this is the blood. They can give the blood into the organs or tissue. This is the tissue of any organ in the body. The blood vessels, they can carry the blood into the tissue directly through the blood vessels. These are the blood vessels. They can distribute the blood into the tissue. Blood vessels, they can carry the blood from the heart. This is heart. From the heart, the blood vessel take the blood from the heart to tissue. Heart to tissue, this is blood vessel. Between the heart and the tissue, the blood can distribute through the blood vessels called closed circulation. Okay? Yeah. If there is a heart, they can distribute the blood. The heart, they can distribute the blood without blood vessel directly into the tissue. This is the tissue. The heart directly, they can distribute the blood into the tissue. This is closed circulation. Sorry, open circulation. This is open circulation. Did you understand what is the difference between closed circulation and open circulation? The blood from the heart to tissue they can reach, mean in the body every tissue, every cells need blood. Because of blood can carry the nutrients into the tissue, blood can carry the oxygen into the tissue or every part of the cell, and blood can carry the hormones, such hormones and enzymes, they can carry forward into the each tissue. So there is a blood transported by the blood vessel is called closed circulation. Blood directly distributed from heart to the tissue is open circulation. Okay? If come to the open circulation, what are the like species? Mostly non-coordinates. Except annelids. Except annelids, mostly they can carry forward. Okay. Annulates are closed circulation. Annulates are closed circulation. This is important. Annulates are closed circulation. All are chordates. All chordates and place annulates are closed circulation. Closed circulation. I hope you guys understand what is open circulation, what is closed circulation. Okay. Except annulates, all non-chordates, they can distribute the blood from heart to tissue directly, and if come to the chordates, there is a between the tissue and heart there is a blood vessel they can carry forward like blood, and annulates are closed circulation, blood carry forward through the blood vessels in the annulates. Okay. I hope you guys understand. This is the myogenic artery, they can pump the blood mechanically, pumps blood through this. Okay. Arteries or veins or capillaries are in the closed circulation system. And what about blood? What about blood? We are going to discuss about blood, okay, today. Yes. I hope you guys understand this. Okay. Yeah. These are the blood composition. Blood is plasma and formed elements. Plasma, which is water, proteins and other solutes are there in the plasma, and if come to the formed elements, they produce, formed elements means they produce from the other organs, which is bone marrow, that is RBCs, WBCs and platelets. WBCs again two types, that is agranulocytes and granulocytes. Agranulocytes again two types, that is lymphocytes and monocytes. Granulocytes are the three types, neutrophils, eosinophils and basophils. We are going to discuss each cell. Okay. First of all, what is plasma? What is plasma? We are going to discuss about plasma. Plasma. In the blood, plasma 55%, blood cells, formed elements, %45%. Okay. Plasma. Plasma is about 92% is water, and 6 to 8% are plasma proteins, and other nutrients like minerals, other minerals. So, this is water, no need explanation. This is plasma proteins are what? Plasma proteins are what? Plasma proteins are albumins, globulins, and fibrinogen. These are the plasma proteins. These are the plasma proteins. Okay. First, albumin is what? Okay. We are going to discuss albumin. Albumins. Albumins are produced from, are formed from liver, largest amount in the blood, largest amount of proteins in the blood, largest amount of proteins in the blood, and it can be retain the water from the interstitial fluid into the blood vessel. It can be these albumins are retain the water into blood vessel. From the tissue, so it can be involved in the osmoregulation. Osmoregulation mean it has colloidal in nature. It has colloidal in nature. Okay. These are the points about albumins. These are the points about albumins. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Next, globulins. Take a screenshot for this. Okay. Yes. Next, globulin. Globulins. Globulins are three types. These are involved in the immunity. Defense mechanism. These are three types. Alpha globulin, beta globulin and gamma globulin. These guys are involved in the immune system. Mostly gamma globulins. These are very little part in the blood plasma. Plasma can produce these. Globulins. This is about globulins. Okay, I hope you guys understand. Take a screenshot about these functions. And next, proteins are fibrinogens. Fibrinogen are the clotting factors. These produced from the liver. Fibrinogen converted into the fibrin. For clotting factors. Okay, these are the fibrinogens. Without clotting factors, remain part of plasma called serum. This is important for NEET guys. There is a question previous PYQ, what is serum? Serum is nothing but without fibrinogens, albumin and globulin and other elements are called serum in the plasma. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Okay, yeah, tomorrow we will going to discuss about blood cells. Okay, yeah, this is, I hope you guys understand, this is up to the NEET level guys. Okay, thank you.